trying to squeeze more comfort out of a small space? These clever Amazon hacks are designed to organize, simplify, and free up room you didn't even know you had. From storage helpers to smart little problem solvers, they make every corner work harder for you. All product links are in the description below. Sometimes the simplest fix makes the biggest difference. This rotating hook system gives you 6 sturdy claws that spin a full circle, so you can grab what you need without twisting your arm. It also flips upward, letting you use the space under cabinets or shelves that normally goes to waste. You just stick it on and start hanging your kitchen tools, towels, or office bits. It keeps your space tidy without taking up any of it. When leftovers start taking over your kitchen, this stackable food tower comes to the rescue. Each layer clicks neatly into place, giving you separate compartments that keep meals warm and fresh. You can add or remove layers depending on how much you need to store, and the clear lids let you see exactly what's inside. It keeps food protected, organized, and easy to grab. Perfect for busy kitchens that need every inch of space. Digging through a pile of pans is no one's idea of fun. This sliding organizer pulls straight out of your cabinet, bringing every pot and lid right to you. The hooks adjust to fit cookware of all shapes, so even your heaviest pieces hang neatly without wobbling. Smooth ball-bearing rails let it glide out effortlessly. You open the door, pull once, and everything is right there. Zero bending, zero hassle. If your spice cabinet feels like a treasure hunt, this organizer fixes that in seconds. Each drawer slides out and gently tilts down, bringing every bottle right to your eyes so you don't dig around blindly. Adjustable dividers let you fit all kinds of shapes and sizes without rearranging anything. And with included labels, you can spot what you need instantly. Just load it up and enjoy a spice cabinet that finally makes sense. Eggs rolling around the fridge is a recipe for cracks. This tiered dispenser keeps them stacked neatly while letting each one glide forward on its own. You grab one, the next gently rolls into place. No shaking, no breaking. The 4-level design saves tons of space and holds plenty without wobbling. Side rails keep every egg snug and secure. It's a simple way to keep your fridge organized and your eggs protected. Big bottles taking over your counter? This magnetic holder snaps right onto your fridge and gives them a proper parking spot. The steel frame is strong enough to handle heavy tumblers, and it even has a place for multiple lids so nothing goes missing. You can stick it on instantly or screw it in for extra security. It saves cabinet space, keeps your cups together, and makes your kitchen look a whole lot more organized. If your sink area always feels cluttered, this little organizer fixes that instantly. It holds both your hand soap and dish soap in one compact unit, each with its own pump, so you can grab exactly what you need. The built-in spot for your sponge keeps everything together instead of scattered around the counter. It's leak-proof, easy to clean, and keeps your sink looking tidy. Simple, practical, and surprisingly helpful. When your dishes, cups, and kitchen tools start piling up, this compact cabinet gives everything a proper home. It has 4 layers of organized storage, including drying trays that keep the inside clean and odor-free. The magnetic flip doors open smoothly, and the semi-transparent panels let you peek in without exposing the mess. With built-in racks, hooks, and a sliding drawer for smaller items, it turns crowded countertops into a tidy, functional space. Running out of room for your spices? This clever rack hides right under your shelf, using space you probably never touch. The pull-out compartment slides smoothly, bringing every jar into view, so you're not digging around mid-recipe. It installs without tools, stays put with strong adhesive, and keeps your most used seasonings organized and easy to reach. A simple upgrade that instantly frees up cabinet space. Tired of digging through jars just to find the right spice? This rotating spice carousel puts everything right at your fingertips. You can load it up with 12 spices, spin it around, and grab exactly what you need. Twist the dial, and it automatically drops a perfect quarter teaspoon, so you don't even need measuring spoons. It stacks neatly, comes with tons of labels, and keeps your cabinet looking clean and organized. If your tea stash keeps taking over your counter, this spinning tower is the hero you didn't know you needed. 3 tiers rotate smoothly, so you can spot your favorite flavor in seconds. 9 removable compartments keep everything sorted, holding up to 108 bags without looking cluttered. The metal frame stays steady as you spin it, and the slim design saves tons of space. You can even use it for sugar packets or creamers, whatever makes your tea time easier. Here's a smart way to deal with wet dishes without cluttering your counter. This collapsible drying rack pops open when you need it and folds flat when you don't, giving you instant space whenever things get crowded. It has a spot for plates, cups, and even a separate area for utensils, so everything dries neatly. The swivel drain lets water flow straight into the sink. Light, portable, and easy to stash anywhere. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Need extra storage that moves with you? This rolling utility cart is ready for anything. 5 adjustable shelves let you store veggies, spices, books, or toiletries just the way you like. 2 of the 4 wheels lock in place, so it stays steady when you need it to. Fold it flat to tuck away in tight spaces, or roll it from kitchen to living room without a hitch. It's versatile, mobile, and keeps everything within easy reach. Stop juggling messy bags and boxes in your pantry. This 4-layer storage container keeps spices, cereals, or leftovers neatly stacked and easy to reach. Just flip the lid to lock or unlock. It's that simple, even with one hand. The leak-proof design and silicone seal keep everything fresh, and it's safe for the freezer too. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for meal prep, picnics, or just keeping your kitchen organized. Tired of cluttered counters after washing dishes? This 3-tier over-the-sink drying rack keeps everything off the countertop and neatly organized. It fits bowls, glasses, plates, and cutlery, while the cover protects your dishes and adds a sleek look. Air flows freely, so everything dries fast and hygienically. Strong, rust-resistant metal ensures it lasts, and the easy setup means you can start using it right away. Maximize every inch of your kitchen with this hanging storage shelf. It sticks to your fridge or walls, giving you 2 extra levels to store spices, seasonings, or small items like phones and stationery. The magnetic design keeps it secure, so it won't tip or slide. Compact but sturdy, it saves counter and cabinet space effortlessly. Perfect for keeping everything organized and within easy reach. Say goodbye to cramped cabinets with this pull-out dish rack. It slides smoothly from under your sink, giving you easy access to bowls, plates, or pots. The single or double-tier design makes the most of vertical space, keeping small items above and heavier ones below. Made from sturdy carbon steel, it won't rust or sag, and the silent sliding rails make using it a breeze. No tools needed, just slide it in and start organizing instantly. Struggling with a crowded pantry? This 6-tier over-the-door organizer turns wasted door space into extra storage. Each basket holds up to 10 pounds, perfect for spices, jars, or snacks. Snap it over your door and it's ready to go. No complicated assembly needed. Removable baskets let you customize for taller items, and the sturdy metal frame stays put without swaying. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or any tight space that needs smart organization. Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets? This cabinet caddy puts everything within easy reach. 2 double-decker shelves slide and rotate, giving you instant access to spices or small items. The non-skid base keeps it steady, while the modular design lets you line up multiple caddies for more storage. Simple to use, just pull, rotate, and grab what you need. Labels and stability inserts keep everything organized and secure. Running out of space in narrow corners? This slim 5-tier rolling cart slides right into tight spots, giving you extra storage without crowding your room. Each pull-out basket glides smoothly and quietly, so you can grab what you need without any hassle. Built from heavy-duty steel, it holds plenty without bending or wobbling. Its sleek design looks modern in any kitchen, bathroom, or laundry area. Who says an air fryer has to be bulky? This 5-in-1 portable glass air fryer cooks, crisps, bakes, reheats, and keeps food warm, all in one compact system. It comes with 3 glass containers in small, medium, and large sizes, perfect for personal meals or a whole chicken. The crisper plates make food golden and crispy, and the leak-proof lids let you store or transport without mess. Keep your spices and utensils within arm's reach with this wall-mounted seasoning rack. 4 clear pull-out boxes let you see and grab exactly what you need: salt, pepper, sugar, or oils without rummaging. Hooks and a utensil holder add even more convenience. Made from sturdy aluminum and stainless steel, it's durable and easy to clean. No drilling needed, mount it on the wall or set it on your countertop for instant organization. Take your tea or coffee anywhere with this collapsible camp kettle. It holds 1.6 liters, enough for 2 or more, and collapses down to just 2.5 inches for easy packing. The stainless steel base heats efficiently, while double handles and a silicone clip make pouring simple and safe. BPA-free and food-grade certified, it's perfect for camping, picnics, or travel. Durable, compact, and clever, your outdoor drinks just got a serious upgrade. Say goodbye to messy rice and grain bags with this rotating storage bin. 6 separate compartments keep different grains neatly organized and easy to reach. Just press the button on each drawer for a quick, mess-free pour. The airtight, moisture-proof lids keep everything fresh for longer. Compact, sleek, and transparent. It looks great on your counter while keeping your pantry perfectly organized. Maximize your bathroom space with this over-the-toilet wall cabinet. 2 glass doors hide adjustable shelves, perfect for keeping toiletries organized and dry. The open shelf and towel bar give extra room for towels, belts, or accessories. Made from sturdy metal and tempered glass, it's waterproof and built to last. Sleek black design adds a modern touch while saving floor space and keeping your bathroom tidy. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.